Good morning, everyone. This is Urobo Bible Reading Platform. Today we are reading Matthew chapter 3, verse 4 to 6 in Urobo language. Obe ri Matthew uyobi roye era awo roye eni rite esa. Verse 4. John ku hewu re opien ri kame viho oda ve umwanwa re opien mu ehu oda re ibaka kugbe enyo rejoma. Verse 5. Ikwo webu de ne Jerusalem re ve Judea kugbe I rere rekere Jordan ejobi. Verse 6. Oda ve hami ke anyị wi Jordan anyị da rowe imwe mu rain. Thank you.